Welcome back to Schools Challenge Quiz 2020. This is the 8th match in round 1. Scores are Old Habour High on 25 points, Ascot High on 2 points. Let's get into the buzzer challenge, shall we? Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast and clear answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. I have 4 minutes on the clock, so I will begin with Bible knowledge. Who became the second recorded queen of King Ahasuerus? Old Habour High.
Esther.
Correct. Biology. What is the name for the specialized cells in the epidermis of leaves and stems that are used to control gas exchange? Old Habour.
Guard cells.
Guard cells.
Correct. English language. Spell Schloss, which is a German castle or manor house. SCHLOSS. International affairs. Look at the screen and identify this individual, please. Old Habour High.
Emmanuel Macron.
President of France. Correct. Chemistry. Which gas is produced when sulfuric acid reacts with magnesium?
Yes, easy.
Hydrogen. Music and audio on teams. Listen to the following clip and identify the group. Ascot.
Spice Girls.
Very good. General knowledge. Which United States presidents have been impeached? Old Habour.
Take time. Andrew Johnson and Bill Clinton. And Donald Trump.
Okay, that's incomplete before the bell. Andrew Johnson, Bill Clinton, and Donald Trump. Spanish. Translate this sentence to English. Si me amaras, no me lastimarías. If you loved me, you would not hurt me. Geography. Lesotho is a southern African Old Habour.
South Africa. South Africa.
Surrounded by South Africa. Correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual one. Teams, look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Old Habour.
Will Smith.
Will Smith.
Correct. Information technology. What is the name for a diagram that shows step-by-step using connecting lines and Old Habour.
Flowchart.
Correct. History. Which period of human culture fell between the Stone Age and the Iron Age? That's the Bronze Age. Mathematics. To the nearest 10, what is the area of a circle of which a radius of 2.5 centimeters? With a radius of 2.5 centimeters. 20 centimeters squared. Physics. What is the equation for gravitational potential energy, GPE? Old Habour.
MGH.
Mass times gravity times height.
Correct. Sport or visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Old Habour.
Usain Bolt.
That's right. Jamaican heritage. In which Jamaican parish is the Two Sisters Cave? Old Habour.
St. Catherine.
St. Catherine.
That's right. French. Give the translation of this term in English. La salle de bain. Old Habour.
The bathroom.
Correct. Literature. Which Jamaican is the author of the novel The Real Gangster's Wife? Old Habour.
Macadamon.
Correct. Art. Who created the piece entitled Still Life with Old Habour.
Vincent van Gogh.
Vincent van Gogh.
That's right. Bible knowledge. Which New Testament character asked this question? Whom will ye that I release unto you? Pontius Pilate. Biology. What is the name of the inner membrane of an organism that contains a developing fetus and its protective fluid? Old Habour.
Amnion.
Correct. And that bell signifies the end of the final challenge for this evening and the end of the match. Scores look to be Old Habour High on 49 points, Ascot High on 4 points. We'll be back in just a moment to wrap up the show.